Hello, here we go. Next little part of this rear spoiler. As I was just closing that other one, found this image on the same site, of course. There we go. Demonstrates it a little bit better there, doesn't it? So if we just add in another edge, we'll be able to sharpen that bit up there. So this bit here, what if we what if we put an edge in here? Where's that gonna go? Let's find out. Control R, E, F, nope, E again. Oh, undo that. Control E. That's better. Right. And there we go, that's tightened that up a little bit. And that is actually in there a bit. As are these bits. We'll stop the zoom in. Alright then as well. I'll tell you what, go back into that one because it's a lot easier to see. Okay. We have a 2 on there, but looks a bit rubbish. Right. I like them. Just move them just slightly, just to give that a nicer edge, and then as that comes out there like that. I wonder if we can get away with sliding that over, or actually, just put in Control R there. I'll tighten that up. That looks more like it. Let's also tighten that little bit up there. Actually, can we get away with putting one in there also? There we go, let's give that a nice, see, match the angle. You know how that worked out last time. You know what, I think that comes back even further. So highlight all down the top. In fact, let's just quickly remove that X and move that back. That X. Control X to remove that edge. Right, now put that one back in there and tighten it up a little bit. Yeah. It's floating in the middle of nowhere. There we go, just bring them down. Oh, this guy's hiding underneath the actual body by the looks, isn't he? Of course, it doesn't need to be exactly touching because It's a body kit, isn't it? There's going to be a little gap there. Ooh, no, don't like that. It looks a bit messy. Alright, let's have a look at this again, just to make sure. See, there's even gaps there, which is expected, like I say. Tackle this rear spoiler wing, whatever it's called next. Spoiler over here, but is it a wing over there? In Australia. Probably the same in the States as well, isn't it? I don't know, it just looks very messy, these edges. Tell you what, let's add one in here, just to give it a nicer edge, and maybe one through here also. Yeah, I think that looks a bit nicer. Alright then, so a little bit of a shorter one, I'm afraid. And next one we'll do the rear wing spoiler. So, catch you in the next one.